Hey loves, today is another day. So this is the first day of building our mega house, the bigger house we started today. We've started today actually. It is currently 9:30 and I'm not done with breakfast, but I've been cooking breakfast for my workers. So they are up there. Here it is 50% done according to the plan that I have. Actually, I think it is 40%. So I'm cooking. Today I want to be a little bit relaxed because ever since I came here, I've been up and down. It has been a roller coaster. So I'm really enjoying the process. I'm calm. This is the best amazing thing. So I'm just sorting these beans because that's what I'm going to prepare, beans and posho. So I've put the saucepan and water on the charcoal stove. Is it called charcoal stove? Echoto in Luganda, as I prepare. So in a few minutes they are going to be here because we have two parts, this and then upper part. So the upper part I'm building the mega house, the bigger house, which is going to take literally a lot of time, or it's going to take long because it is very big and we are going to be doing it in phases. And then this is the house that I'm renovating, that I want to be staying in, or that I'm staying in actually even now. My bathroom is done, my bedroom is done. I can use the bathroom now, though it has not dried yet. I'll get time and show you how it looks like, okay? So I think I need windows. I think I need like one, two, three. I think I need like 3 to 4 windows for the store, my bathroom, my bedroom, and then in the sides. So I think I need like 4 windows, which I'm not going to take care of right now because I still have a lot on my plate. So yeah, actually today morning I have a brand that has contacted me. Choka, I left Kampala, and brands weren't contacting me, and then I have a brand that has contacted me and they want us to talk. I told you guys I'm going to still be doing branding and content. Yeah, so yeah, I'll also do that. So what I'll do, I think I'll just if I have to shoot, I'll just get like a few days. I go to Kla, I be there, I do whatever I have to do, run errands, and then I come back here. Yeah. So when I come back, it's just me editing, taking care of these, and then doing other things. So I'm going to be in the future, we shall be doing farming here, like farming, the mega farming. I have a bigger picture. If you're following me, or if you don't know, I do farming right now. I do maize farming and chicken or poultry farming. But I have another channel that I post where I post that information or that content on the farm. I always tag it here, so it's called on the farm. So if you want to see everything about the maize farming, farming, or poultry farming, you see it there. So we are yet to incorporate something new, but not now. But I think by the end of this year, it will be what I've been working on, or another thing that we are adding on the farm. Okay. So I'm trying to actually organize a country home because this is where I want to be. I want to be in the village because it is quite peaceful. Honestly, it is peaceful. It is peaceful. And right now, I really have to consider my mental health. I'm really starting over, and it feels it feels hard. It is hard actually, but again, it feels peaceful and manageable. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Let me sort the beans and then I will take you through on the foundation of what I'm doing right now up there. House update, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this is how it looks like now. I told you I was doing renovation, so this is done, this part is done, and yeah, it quite looks nice and decent. So we created that window because I need a window there. but I'm not going to install it now. I also created a bathroom, and inside bathroom, that is it. So that is how it looks like, and it has a pipe that takes water outside, okay? And this is how it looks like inside here. It's quite decent. It is enough, for one person it is enough. So I'll put a window there, a small window, bathroom window there, because this primarily this house was like it didn't have enough light because they did not give it windows. So I created that window too for me to be having light. So that is how it looks like currently, and I think it is nice. I think I'm seeing the vision now, okay? So this is how it looks like. Now, we don't have a ceiling, and that is not going to be done right now. So if, of course, I settle in, I will not be having a ceiling, but it will be quite like that because I'm thinking of actually extending that house up because I feel like it is shorter. It is kind of short, but this is how the bedroom looks like right now. They finished this yesterday, and yeah, I'll think of what to do next. So of course the power will be, of course, there. We have a pole in the compound, so the electricity is not far really. We brought a pole, okay? So that is it. Look at my view. That is my view behind the window. But yeah, I think that is it. That is it. That is my bathroom because we expect to put tiles. They did this. I'll put tiles later, but not now. But right now, we can actually shower from inside. Okay, we have cement here. Actually, we have cement down here. I've not thought of changing the cement right now, but with time, maybe I'll see what to do. But we have cement, only that they were using the floor, so it looks dirty and looks like we don't have cement here. So yeah, that's it. And then inside here, this is how it looks like because they are still working on this. That is how it looks like. Now, do you remember the tree that I showed you? The tree that we were cutting? Those are some of the, is it timber? Yeah, that we got from them, like from the tree. We still have more, like a lot and lot of them outside. So that is how it looks like. Now, where you seeing that door, there is a window. We created a window because this house didn't have enough light. So yeah, we shall put a window there, you see. So this is, all of this is going to be a sitting room. And then we have this corner here, you see. We also have that corner here, so it was smaller. So yeah, and then this side. So I'm thinking of maybe putting the chairs here, like for this to be like a sitting room, and then here it will be like maybe a restroom or dining room, okay? But it is one. Yeah, that's it. Right where we are. I look so tired. Honestly, I'm tired, but that's the update that I wanted to give you. I wanted to give you that update, but I'm so tired. Let me go and cook. There are so many reasons as why I love being in a village. Now, tell me why. I have to pay almost 20,000 Ugandan shillings in town to get this, and in the village, I'm getting it for free. Like, I just go in a garden, you know, just harvest whatever I want. I come, prepare, and eat. You guys, I love greens. I love eating greens, and these, I don't know. This is for free. Like, all of this, it is so fresh, very, very, very fresh. So I'm going to sort this. I'm preparing porridge. Actually, it's done. I'm done. I'm just preparing porridge, and then I'm going to be sorting this because I want to eat greens. Like, I want to eat greens. This is so cute. This is so cute. I'm going to sort this. I don't know whether I'm going to be filming it, but I just wanted to show you this because isn't this amazing? but it's a lot. I don't think I'll finish sorting it. But yeah, that's it.